So what'd the Magi have to say, huh?
She said I should get serious.
About time.
Oh, and stop hanging around with bug brain layabouts like you.
Oh!
Hello? Bless your heart with magic light. I give the gift of fairy sight.
Oh, what a strange little bug.
I did it. I did it.
Oh, gravity works.
Oh, poor guy.
Yeah.
Oh!
Primary testing laboratory. No! Pass the probe. Graduate students, all gather forward. No!
Love the haircut.
It's all right. We won't hurt you. He's still a little confused.
Clearly.
Hello. I'm a nocturnal placental flying mammal, a member of the family of Pterodiddae, or Pterodidnae. If you can't tell, I'm a bat! Yes, I am. And they used to call me Batty. Batty Koda. Nice to meet you. Bonjour.
And where are you from?
I just blew in from a biology lab. I'm back and I'm flapping free. Let me tell you a story, and it's all about...